Good morning everybody. Today we are going to learn Introduction to MOSFET and basic operation of MOSFET. After the completion of today's session, you are able to classify MOSFET and explain the basic operation of MOSFET. MOSFET. The full form of MOSFET is metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. The full form of MOSFET is metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. MOSFET is a semiconductor device that is used for amplifying and switching signals in a electronic device. It has four terminals, that is source, gate, drain and body. This body terminal is frequently connected to the source terminal. So, MOSFET acts as a three-terminal device. MOSFET works by applying voltage on the gate terminal. The voltage applied on the gate terminal controls the current conduction within the device. Next, the types of MOSFET. MOSFET are of two types: depletion type and enhancement type. Again, depletion type divided into two types, means P channel depletion type MOSFET, N channel depletion type MOSFET. And similarly, enhancement type also divided into two types, P channel enhancement type and N channel enhancement type. In a depletion type MOSFET, there is a channel present in the device or in the MOSFET at zero gate bias. Zero gate bias means when there is 0 volt at gate terminal. Means when we apply no voltage to the gate terminal, there is a channel present between source and drain in a depletion type MOSFET. But in an enhancement type MOSFET, there is no channel present at zero gate bias. Next, we discuss the basic operation. Basic operation of N channel MOSFET. For this, first we take a P-type substrate. P-type substrate. Then two N regions are formed within it. One region is act as a source, another region is act as a drain. Then between source and drain the gate region is formed. But before this, on the surface of the substrate, we first form a oxide layer. On that oxide layer, the gate terminal is formed, and here the body terminal is formed. As we know that the body terminal is always connected to the source terminal and at 0 voltage, means it is always grounded, and this is a N channel enhancement type MOSFET. So here the threshold voltage is positive. What is threshold voltage? Means the voltage at which there is a channel formed between source and drain, that is known as threshold voltage. So first we apply here a positive voltage at gate terminal. When we give positive voltage, it attracts the minority charge carrier of this p-type substrate. What is that minority charge carrier? That is electron. So it attracts the electron to the surface or near the gate terminal, to the surface of the substrate, and it pushed the hole down into the substrate. When we give small amount of positive voltage, then only small number of electrons are accumulated at the surface. As we increase the voltage again and again, number of electrons accumulated here also increases, and the holes are pushed into the substrate. After some time, in this region the number of electron is increased so high that we can say this region becomes N type, and this region is known as inversion layer, and that inversion layer is known as channel that connects the source and drain terminal. When we apply voltage at drain terminal, it starts the current flow within the device. This is the basic operation of N channel. We can explain it derively in our next class. Then we discuss about P channel MOSFET. For P channel MOSFET, we take a substrate of N type. Here two P wells are formed. One act as source, another one act as drain and source. And similarly, like in N channel MOSFET, first here a oxide layer is formed. On that oxide layer the gate terminal is formed, and at the below here a body terminal is formed. So as this is a P channel MOSFET, here the threshold voltage is negative. So when we apply negative voltage at gate terminal, then it attracts the holes near to the surface and pushed the electrons into the substrate. As we increase further the negative voltage, the number of holes accumulated at the surface also increased, and the number of electrons pushed into down and down in the substrate. And after some time, in this region we can say the majority charge carrier is hole, and this layer becomes P type. This layer is known as inversion layer and act as a channel between source and drain. As we know, source and body are always grounded. and this is the basic operation of P channel MOSFET. The P channel MOSFET and N channel MOSFET that we discuss the operation are both from enhancement type. Why we prefer enhancement type MOSFET? Because depletion type conducts at 0 voltage and it has positive cutoff gate voltage. So we less prefer the depletion type. Generally we prefer the enhancement type, and losses or leakage current also high in depletion type. This is for today's class. Thank you.